Listen, Maswat. Let me teach you something that you don't know. I have a sense of humor, and I don't mind when people make fun of me. But there's a line that you don't cross, okay? Once you start putting words in my mouth and things that I never said, that's called defamation of character. I don't have to be physically present on the ground in Swaziland to sue the fuck out of you, to subpoena you inside your kangaroo courts in Swaziland. The kangaroo courts of Makosetive, Sonzani Chapani, assassin, and sue the fuck out of you. Okay? I mean, I can just give power of attorney to Lindy Wakumalomat or someone like How. I have a war chest of lawyers in Swaziland. Some of them very good friends of mine. Okay? I can give them power of attorney and present some of the shit you've said I've never said. That things I would never ever say. The words I don't even use. I don't even know what CV means. I don't know what a CV is. I don't use the word CV. And I've never asked people to send me CVs here. There are things that you just don't do. One of them is defamation of character. You can make fun of me and say whatever and impersonate me. But once you start making up shit that I never ever said in my life, things I would never ever say, that are way beyond my character, then you're calling me. I've been ignoring your shit because I don't care. You can make all the fun you want. So, but once you start crossing the line, I don't have to be physically present on the ground in Swaziland to sue the fuck out of you for defamation of character. Do you understand that, son? So have fun all you want, but be careful what you say. You can repeat things that I said, I don't care. But once you start making statements and things that I never ever said out my mouth, you're impersonating me and you're saying things that I never said, that are now defamation of character. I'll teach you something you've never seen in Swaziland. I'll teach you something you've never ever seen. So continue. I'm telling you. Nina, you don't know. If somebody says something that you never ever said, it's defamation of character. Okay? And it's a much, much lower standard in court than a criminal case. It's going to be a civil case. You'll never have shit. Even if you don't have shit today, you'll never... Listen, you must be very, very careful. Especially when you deal with an American like myself. I will sue the fuck out of you. Okay? I'm Swati. I challenged him. He comes to New York. He made at Sakile Oros Msibi. I told him, I said, 100%. If it's not true, Mswati comes to New York. He was here. He comes here almost every year, actually. Sakila has never been seen. He's never visited them. They were very close friends. I said, Makositive, come and sue the fuck out of me. In fact, Makositive can get a lawyer here to subpoena me in the court of law for defamation of character. All he has to do is give power of attorney, and that's it. And present him at clips where I talked about Sakila Orosmsibi, that he murdered him. But Nangwat logo, you see, because you're idiots. You see? So keep doing what you're doing. I'm keeping all your shit, by the way.
Hey,
and there will come a time when enough is enough, and I will show you. And you'll stop your shit. Okay, bye-bye.